So Freecash app. So you can just go to freecash.com and then you can earn some additional cash in this app. So you can play some games and just do some surveys and basically just complete this and earn some additional cash. Also, what you can do, you can go and refer friends to this app. And for example, here is my code. You can use my code, and then like how it works. I can give so if you're using my link, you will receive a free case worth up to $250. If you earn $1 within 48 hours after signing up, you will receive 3 more cases. I don't know how legit is this app scammy or not, but basically there it is. And you begin by earning 5% of your referral earnings. As you earn more, you level up your tier and you can earn as much as 30%. So that's what you can do. Then there is chat. There are some chats, global chats, so 7 people online. And you just need to complete all these tasks, and then you can withdraw to your PayPal, to your Ethereum, to your Bitcoin, withdraw gift cards like Amazon gift card. I don't know how complicated is that to earn here. Probably, don't expect to earn like hundreds of dollars. Just try to earn $1 first if it's at all possible. And then, here is your account. Then, just try it out.